Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is SocialPilot and Blaze AI. So let's get started with a quick overview. SocialPilot is a well-established social media scheduling and analytics platform designed for small businesses, agencies, and professionals, marketers, known for its affordable and bulky scheduling capabilities. It supports Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, TikToks, and YouTube, making a well-rounded choice for managing multiple accounts efficient. Talking about Blaze AI on the other side, it's an AI-driven social media assistant that's gaining tractions in 2025 for its content ideations, studying modeling and performance optimization geared towards creators, entrepreneur, and lean teams. Blaze AI also offers a streamlined UI, automated workflows, and creative content prompt powered by AI. Now, talking about the downside and the strength and the weakness of this platform, starting with SocialPilot. So, revealing the strength, it has a bulk scheduling with a CSV import with a white label report for clients. It also supports all major platforms, including TikToks. And here's the downside: no free plan, lacks some AI automation features, brand for newer tools. And here's the strength and the weakness of Blaze AI. Starting with the strength, the AI driving content ideas and post is writing, also auto scheduling based on engagement timing and the shape simple modern interface. And here's the downside: still developing more robust analytics and team tools, a fewer platform integrations compared to SocialPilot. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply choose SocialPilot if you need a proven scheduling tools with a strong analytics and a client collaboration features, together with the support for all major platforms, especially if you are managing multiple accounts. And on the other side, you can just simply opt in for AI, Bliss AI, if you are an AI enhanced automation, if you're after AI enhanced automation, creative content workflows, and an intuitive setup designed to help small teams and creators scales quickly without the complexity. So let me know in the comment section what's your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.